Hello friends, today I want to talk about you instead of the turkey we ate. It is a traditional dish from Adana, just like mumbar and kokorec, both made with offal. Its real name is şerdan dolmasi. Even though its name is sirdan, the sirloin of lamb is usually the best choice when making this filling. In Adana, this dish is eaten after alcoholic drinks. Chili, pickled, and cumin are on the table next to the boiled crawfish meal. Most of the time, it is served with pickles and spices. The thread that was used to sew the mustard must be taken out before it can be eaten. People who have never eaten it before may find it hard or give up. Some sellers of şerdan have made signs like the eye is deceived, the palate is not deceived, to show that taste is more important than how it looks. After the citric acid is cleaned and separated from the other stomach parts, lemon and salt are used to make the stomach whiter. After the open part has been filled with spicy rice, it is sewn shut and boiled. It is called Adana's national food. I wouldn't be so sure about what it is. This may look like another boring dish, but it's not. This is şerdan, which is a stuffed sheep gallbladder. Its name is pronounced şerdan. Go to Adana and try this popular Turkish food. People say this dish is good if you can get past the smell. Before it's sewn together, the rubbery part of the sheep's stomach is filled with seasoned rice, meat, and onions. This gives it a very interesting shape. Şerdan is a popular food to eat while drinking a lot of alcohol. So if you want to go to a good party in a country between Asia and Europe, you might want to try this one. Ingredients for şerdan: craw, lump, or goat stomach. 250 grams of ground meat. 500 gram rice. 500 grams of onion. 1 tablespoon pepper paste. 1 dessert spoon of salt. 1 dessert spoon of black pepper. 3 glass water. Recipe. To begin, you need to empty out your stomach, şerdan. Then both sides are repeatedly rinsed with cold water, followed by many washes with hot water. After being meticulously cleansed, it is submerged for some time in a solution consisting of salt and lemon juice before being rinsed again. The cleaning process is time-consuming and strenuous. The onions are cut very small. Rice, ground meat, and other components are combined after being added. Hand labor is used to load the syringes with the various components. All stomachs, şerdan, are filled. Place your stomach into the saucepan, add water and salt, and cook for an additional hour. You can add a significant amount of cumin and then consume it. Enjoy your food. Today, we would like to introduce you to a unique dish commonly consumed in Adana, Turkey, among the Turkish people. It is widely beneficial for high cholesterol, rheumatism, and allergies. As a result of its high nutritional value, it not only boosts the body's metabolic rate, but also provides more nourishment than meat does. In addition to that, it improves the functioning of the intestines. It is also said to produce the hormone that is responsible for happiness. This nourishing meal, which can be easily prepared at home, offers a variety of advantages. We are certain that one of the dishes you will enjoy will contain a craw meal, as this is one of the foods that top the list of everyone's favorites. Because it is nutritious, you can eat this meal yourself and serve it to your children without feeling guilty or concerned about their well-being. Our family highly recommends this recipe, which specializes in Turkish cuisine. When you have had a chance to use it, be sure to share your feedback in the comments section below. As well as clicking the like button, you should also click the bell icon. In a short while, we will present you with another exciting video. Until then, take care and helping others.